Wala pa.
Sa tanay. Entrance ko na mo. Sa to. Wala mo si Kuya.
Kurasyon na, Nay. Ha? Try ko pa.
Sunod ka.
Sino? Play na, play?
1, 2, 3, go. Excuse me po, no? Ang...
Leo, ay pag-ani, play. Oo, sige.
Sa, 2, 3. Hello, everybody! Here I am again in the new world of business and everybody can follow, man! I have something new. I will tell you, man! Okay. Hey, come here! Hey, Sean Kingston! He is the one who in charge in this mountainous province of Guimaras. He has bamboo sticks and slabs and everything, and try pusog. He does it. Then I tell you, well, everybody's in the house. Are you having fun? Yeah. Well, come on, let's start come on, everybody. Everybody says, okay, come here. You don't. I'm going down under the road. So, what can you see about my sea?
We see is what we can see.
What is it? I'm going to Cut.
Okay na?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Everybody. Wait. Yeah, nandito po ako subong sa bayan ng Guimaras na again ang new spill na malaking tanker oil galing sa bayan ng Guimaras again. Nung pumunta po ako dito, tapos pumunta po doon ako. Ganyan, ang ganda, wow, iwit! Pagtapos nun, nakita ko po dito yung mga something, everything, na mga jealousy, everything, you know naman that, you know, but nakita ko yun, no? Nakita ko yun. Nakita mo ba yun? Wala yun, no? Gago kayo.
Commercial break.
Cut! Saan ba ako, hindi?
Pindesi mo.
Ayun, ako naman, dipingagaw ko man. Mo! Mo! Ha! Let's go! Come on! Hindi na bon, budlay na bon, bala na bon.